Gluta Infinity. This is one of the most effective na Thai products to minimize the presence of acne while making your skin radiantly pinkish and brighter in just 2 weeks. Kaya naman, try nito for 2 weeks and you will really see the difference. Hi there, my name is Anthony, and did you know that this product is really effective for minimizing your acne because tested and proven ko na yan. So even though it is parang hindi siya popular, kapag itatry mo talaga itong product na to, o-observe mo talaga sa skin mo na yung mga nagpipinkish na part of your face or neck or at the back of your neck. Tapos dito nyo is talagang mamiminimize siya. Basta wag nyong gagalawin yung mga pimples nyo. Don't ever touch or make any contact to your pimples or acne using your hands para hindi siya magkakaroon ng additional infection or cross-contamination. That's why in this vlog, we are now going to discuss Gluta Infinity from Thailand. Etong brand na to is also yung kapatid ng Joju Collagen. So, Joju Collagen tablets, pati ito ay iisa. Kaya naman, it is really highly recommended or more than highly recommended po sa mga nagsasuffer ng mga pimples. So, speaking of the price, magkano nga ba ang isang ganito? And for me, yung nabili ko is for 50 pesos. Yes, for 50 pesos po siya. So, ito kasi is may glutathione. So, yung Joju Collagen, wala po siyang glutathione. But still, this contains collagen. Kaya, ang taas ng collagen content niya, it is enough for your skin to regenerate, to eliminate yung presence of unwanted compounds such as yung mga bacteria, virus, ayan, yung mga fungi, or even parasites. Kaya naman, etong Gluta Infinity is really effective. Gamitin nyo lang siya in just 2 weeks. Or kung hindi pa rin kayo na-satisfied kahit na na-clear yung skin nyo, ituloy-tuloy nyo lang siya hanggang ma-clear out yung pimples nyo, hanggang ma-clear din ang inyong mga scars sa face, dulot ng mga pimples. So, in this, yung next clip, ipapakita natin yung mga contents nito. So, yes, yung mga contents nito will be, siguro, ipapresent ko yung kung ano yung mga nandito. So, meron din dito. And then, iba din yung nakalagay dito. So, let us now proceed to the next clip. So, here it is. Gluta Infinity. And in this bottle, makikita nyo na, ayan yung shadow ng aking kamay. So, it contains 1,000 milligrams na L-glutathione berry extract, vitamin C, tapos zinc. And then, premium quality, made in Thailand. And then, meron siyang Japanese characters, tapos Thai characters. And sabi dito, it is a dietary supplement product. And makikita nyo dito yung pomegranate. So, ayan, pomegranate siya. And did you know na maraming nutrients ang pomegranate? So, ganyan siya. Tapos, kung i-roll on natin, ayan siya, guys. Made in Thailand. Tapos, hindi ko na maintindihan. So, no approved therapeutic claims, sabi niya dito. So, it does not cure. It does not have a direct cure to certain diseases. So, hindi po siya made from genetically modified. So, ayan yung mga products niya. Ay yung approval niya. And, ayan, FDA approved. So, ayan. And yung caution, children and pregnant women should not take this product. Siyempre, kasi nga, siyempre, baka merong iba na hypersensitive sa product na ito. Anyway, we will now proceed sa mga iba pang ingredients niya. So, Gluta Infinity. So, ang meron dito is tripeptide fish collagen 250 mg, L-glutathione na 60 mg, glycine, 50 lahat. Yung glycine, cysteine, glutamine, L-lysine. Tapos coenzyme Q10, 40 na siya. Acerola berry extract, 40. Ascorbic acid, 30. Ito yung pomegranate, 30. Pine bark, 30. Tapos grape extract, 30. Tapos meron siyang zinc, 25. Alpha tocopherol or vitamin E, 10 mg. And ano itong isa? Rice extract na 5 mg. Tapos for a total of 1,000 mg. So, ang sabi dito is take 1 tablet before bedtime. And ano pa ba? Take 1 tablet before bedtime. O, diba? So, ayan, ang dami niyang laman. Hindi lang L-glutathione, berry extract, vitamin C, zinc, kundi pati na rin ang collagen. So, mataas ang kanyang collagen contents. So, 1 bottle contains 30 tablets. So, maubos mo siya in 1 month. So, ayan siya guys. And may we now proceed to the next clip. Uulitin ko, yung price of this product is 450 pesos. So, mabibili nyo ito sa mga online shopping outlets such as sa Lazada and Shopee. And I'm not sure kung available din siya sa eBay because eBay has Filipino products na ready to ship abroad. So, anyway, before anything else, dapat i-check nyo yung mga seal niya. So, hindi ko siya binuksan pa, but yan, nabuksan ko yung mga ibang bottles para makita nyo lang kung ano yung itsura ng kanyang seal. So, in this bottle, you will notice yung packing niya na see-through na plastic. So, madali lang siyang buksan. Just use your fingers or nails. Yung nails nyo, ano nyo lang siya, ganyan. Hanapin nyo lang yung edges niya para ma-tear nyo itong seal. So, habang sasalita ako, I'm attempting to, ayan o. I am now removing the seal. So, just use your nails to open. Ayan. So, parang nag-unwrap tayo. And sa second layer of protection is the seal. Itong seal sa cup niya. Kaya ang gagawin mo is, ayan, bubunutin mo yung plastic strip. Parang yung strip nito. And it looks like this. So, ganyan siya. And then, i-open mo katulad nito. Ayan. So, makikita nyo dito, may usually na cotton. Tapos, yung iba namang bottle is, it is styrofoam pala. Styrofoam. I'm sorry. Ayan, yung iba cotton, yung iba styrofoam. So, it's like that. So, this also serves as a seal. So, ayan. Seal siya and it is a tablet form. Kaya, kung titignan nyo dito, it looks like that. So, isang tablet per day. So, i-smell natin. Ayun, mabango siya. Amoy grapes. So, grapes and pomegranate has similar scent. Yeah, they have similar scent. Pero anyway, yung shape is oval shape. Parang kasing kulay niya yung palm ko. So, ganun siya, ka-tingkad and ka-bright. So, it is light pink in color. So, ayan siya guys. Light pink. And it is easily swallowable. Para sa mga kapatid nating mahilig mag-swallow. So, pack na pack sa inyo ang tablet na ito. So, meron siyang sign na infinity. Ayan guys. So, number 8. Parang, ayan. I'm not sure kung number 8 siya. Pero, it looks like that. Number 8. So, tingnan ko nga, 8 ba? Yeah, it is number 8 or infinity. I'm not sure kung ganun ba or ganon. Or basta may mga kulot-kulot. Anyway, I advise you to drink at least more than 10 glasses of water to replenish your skin's fluid. Kaya naman, iinom po tayo ng isang ganito. So, yeah, I can taste medyo soury, indicating na mataas ang kanyang vitamin C content. Ayun. So, you should always drink more than 10 glasses of water a day for you to help your body replenish yung mga fluids, tapos tanggalin yung mga toxins, yung mga toxic substances para to keep your body healthy. And then, pagkatapos yung ibuksan to, i-seal nyo ulit. Seal it for freshness. Tapos, i-close nyo lang na ganyan. Ayan, para at least to protect your tablet from external na, or excuse me, nag-burp ako, away from children, or away from insects, or away from small animals. So, ayan guys, to prevent contamination. So, medyo nag-burp pa rin ako. Anyway, na-try ko na to, yung mga products nito, I mean, yung company na nag-distribute din ng ganito because effective talaga siya for minimizing or even eliminating your pimples in your face, sa neck, sa back, sa chest, even sa likod. Ayan, sa baba ng likod mo. And I love this product because marami ding nagsasuggest na i-take nito para sa mga malalaki yung mga pimples, cystic pimples. So, yes guys, if you love how I vlog this product, mag-subscribe kayo sa dalawang channels ko, The Star of Anthony and The Star of Anthony Vlogs. Mag-suggest din kayo kung ano yung mga next product na i-vlog ko. Para kapag available, syempre i-vlog ko for as long as present siya. And you may also sponsor me some products of yours kung isa ka sa mga brand sponsors or marketers. And if you have any feedbacks, suggestions, or any na pwede mong sabihin, just comment down below. Tapos you can also reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.